Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the leading chatbot tools of 2025. Let's explore why chatbots have become so crucial in today's digital age. First up is Polybuzz. This tool is celebrated for its user-friendly interface, customization options, and robust customer support. Next, we have Talkie. What sets it apart? Its advanced voice recognition and seamless integration make it a favorite among businesses. Now, let's take a deep dive into C.AI. This versatile chatbot excels in data-driven conversations, ideal for marketing and customer engagement. How do these tools stack up against each other in terms of performance and usability? Let's conduct a comparative analysis. Cost is key. We'll take a look at the pricing models for each tool, helping you find the best option for your budget. User experience matters. Here's what customers are saying about their experiences with Polybuzz, Talkie, and C.AI. Integration is critical for seamless operations. Let's see how each of these tools fits into existing systems. So, which chatbot tool is the best for you in 2025? We'll summarize the key points to help you decide. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more insights on tech tools and leave a comment with your thoughts.